Wonderful. Is it just me, or is this place faintly ridiculous? Two of my great hates in life: fine dining in central London.
I'm making a video.
I just thought it's the kind of special occasion place one came if one had a special question to ask. This moment, I wish I were a poet, not a horse breeder. Will you marry me?
My poor chief.
That sounds like